standard install journey, whether it's an appointment install, is likely to have a failure rate, on-the-day failure rate, of between 10 and 20%. So that means up to 20% of those appointments, those installs, are not occurring successfully. And there's two challenges with that. Firstly, you've got the fact that there's an operational cost that's being wasted if you've got repeat visits of any sort. The second is the fact that if you don't successfully get someone their product or service on the first attempt, the chances of them cancelling, never becoming a customer of that organisation are significantly higher, 30 to 50% higher. So in other words, let's say if I miss 20% of my installs, 10% of those might never become a customer. So if you can increase the successful install rate from, let's say, 85% to 95%, not only are you saving 10% of your operational costs, which is terrific, you're actually increasing the number of customers an organisation, a corporation gets by maybe up to 10%, and that's 10% additional revenue. And of course, by making a seamless installation journey, you're actually making that a good experience for the customer as well. So you reduce the churn as well as reducing what you might call the pre-install cancel. We need to start an intelligent and automated conversation via the device of choice, a proactive conversation between the corporate and that individual customer. And they've got to be transactional. They've got to allow the customer, in this case, to make the adjustments that they want to suit the customer, not to suit the corporate. It's about the customer being cared for, being served.